Welcome back, everyone. I typically do these videos on my second channel, but I figured I might as well do them now. So let's go and talk about a couple of ways you can fix your Snapchat if for some reason it's not working out properly. Now, there's a couple ways to fix these things, especially if you get logged out of your Snapchat account or whatever. The first thing you want to do, though, add me on Snapchat. You guys already know. There's the code, there's everything, whatever. You guys already know this. Now, the first thing I would recommend doing, as I always state, is checking your internet connection. So what does that mean? Well, essentially, you want to look in the top right corner of your iPhone. If you have an Android, it's probably going to be up the top of the status bar as well. And you want to make sure you have some bars. So you'll typically see your Wi-Fi connection. Make sure you have all the bars. You can swipe down to get into this little panel, and you want to see if that says no SIM, or if it says, T-Mobile, AT&T, then you're set. If you have Wi-Fi, it doesn't matter. But if it says AT&T, T-Mobile, Verizon, whoever it is, you want to make sure you have a decent set of bars. Now, at that point, what you want to do is you want to make your way over to any application that requires internet connection. So this can be the App Store, the Google Play Store, Safari browser, Chrome, whatever it is. And you want to see how long it takes to load up these specific apps. If it takes a long time to load up these applications, then there may be an issue. But if it takes like very little time, just like how it is for me, like it's just almost instantaneous, I click on it and everything loads up, then you can pretty much rest assured that it's not a network connection problem that you're having. So what is the problem that you're having? Well, the next thing I would recommend doing is, honestly, this is the thing that almost fixes it every single time for me, like I mentioned before. You want to go either to like the comment section of this video if it gets a lot of views, or videos like this, and you want to leave a comment and you want to sort the comments by the latest comment. So you want to go ahead, go down there, you want to sort by the newest comments, and you want to see if a lot of people are commenting at the same time. If everyone is commenting within like seconds or minutes to each other and saying, oh, Snapchat is down, then that probably means Snapchat is down. That's the best way I always see if Snapchat is down. I just go to like some random video I made about Snapchat, I look in the comments, and typically that means Snapchat is down for everyone. So there really is nothing you can do at that point. You just have to wait it out. And that's totally okay. There's nothing you can do. You just technically have to just wait out until Snapchat fixes the issue. At that point, what'll happen is Snapchat will push out an update and you're pretty much set. All you have to do is pretty much just go back into Snapchat and that'll fix it. You can also go to Twitter or Instagram and see if a ton of people are also commenting about Snapchat being down. And if they are commenting and everything looks good, then you're pretty much set. You just have to wait it out till Snapchat fixes it. Now, the last thing you can do, which typically fixes it for some people out there, is to make your way over to your App Store or Google Play Store again. You want to click on the search tab right here, and you want to go ahead and type in Snapchat like we've talked about before. So go ahead and type in Snapchat. I totally messed that up. So type in Snapchat. You want to go ahead and update your Snapchat app. So you can see I have an update available. You want to click on update and you want to go on the most up-to-date version of Snapchat that you can. If you're on a very outdated version of Snapchat, there can be a lot of issues that go with that. So being up to date will typically fix these types of issues. So go update your Snapchat account or Snapchat app and see if that fixes the issue. If it does, then you're set. If it still doesn't work, then Snapchat may actually be down and you may just have to still wait it out, and you may be one of the first people to find out that Snapchat is actually non-functional. So that's pretty much it. That's how to fix it. If you guys have any other questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.